The Non-Metallic Innovation Center is a partnership between TWI, AramcoTech and ADNOC, with a mission to further the utilization of non-metallic materials in the oil and gas industry. At the NIC, we spearheaded groundbreaking research programs in collaboration with esteemed partners from academic institutions, research centers, composite material manufacturers, and oil and gas operators. Through these collaborations, we are developing cutting-edge solutions that harness the full potential of non-metallic materials to address the challenges faced by the oil and gas industry. One of our primary goals is to support the commercialization of these innovative products, expanding their availability in the market whilst reducing the costs associated with transportation, installation, and maintenance of pipes and pipelines. Our dedicated workforce possess exceptional capabilities in designing, building, evaluating, and improving technologies relating to welding, joining, coating, material, component and structural testing, and inspection monitoring. Situated within TWI, the NIC benefits from access to cutting-edge facilities and state-of-the-art laboratories. These include sophisticated permeation testing setups specifically designed for polymeric materials. Our permeation rigs enable rigorous performance testing of materials with various gas mixtures and hydrocarbons, greatly expanding the measurement capabilities for polymers. We've developed and commissioned the world's first pipe-scale multi-gas permeation rig for simultaneous non-metallic pipe and connector assessment. The rig facilitates the assessment of multi-layer composite pipes and connectors under various operating conditions, testing fluids, phased gases, and hydrocarbons. It allows for the measurement of permeation through the pipe wall, axially along the pipe, and at pipe-to-pipe connectors simultaneously. Through our analytical and investigative techniques, we are able to tackle industry needs and expand innovation. We provide our collaborators with detailed, insightful reports and solutions. Welcome to the Non-Metallic Innovation Center. Together, we are revolutionizing the possibilities of non-metallic materials in diverse sectors.